Let us first see the subcategories of earned leaves, which are as follows: leave on average pay, leave on half average pay, commuted leave not due. A total of 30 days of leave on average pay every year, which is distributed as 15 days on 1st Jan plus 15 days on 1st July. Advance credit at 2.5 day per month, fraction to be rounded off, reduced by 1 by 10 for extraordinary leave. Credit pro rata as per date of retirement or dismissal, etc. Unused LAP is carried over and maximum accumulation is of 300 days. Unutilized joining time credited to LAP. School staff get 30 days minus number of days of vacation availed. Maximum leave granted is of 180 days. It should be applied in advance. Can be combined with other leave except casual leave or special casual leave. Leave availed prefixing and suffixing holidays, that entire period will count as LAP. Choose the correct option. The maximum LAP. State whether true or false. LAP can be combined with other two leave. Leave on half average pay is another subclass of earned leaves. We get 20 days of leave on half average pay in a calendar year. It is credited 10 days on 1st January and 10 days on 1st July, reduced by 1 by 18th for extraordinary leave. Also reduced proportionate to the date of retirement, dismissal, resignation, etc. Can be availed up to 24 months at a time. It can be combined with other leave except casual leaves and special casual leaves. The third subclassification of earned leaves is commuted leaves. On production of medical certificate, there is no limit for commuted leave. For approved course of study, we can avail 180 days leave in entire service without medical certificate. HLAP is commuted into full pay, therefore twice the HLAP is deducted. In continuation of maternity leave, 60 days leave can be availed without medical certificate. Resignation or voluntary retirement without returning to duty, entire period is treated as HLAP and recovery is made in case of death or invalidation. Choose the correct option. How many days of HLAP can be taken in a calendar year? State whether true or false. The commuted leave is limited also after the producing a medical certificate.